皆さんこんにちは。お元気ですか? Welcome to 日本語 with Yukino. So today we're going to look at てあげます、てもらいます、てくれます。Those three grammars. But I want to make sure that you know the basic of these, which I already explained in the previous videos. First one and the second one. First one is about あげます、もらいます、くれます、those rules and its meanings. And て form, this second one is the form that we need to use in this video. So please make sure you watch this and understand and come back to this. Alright, so today we're gonna look at てあげます、てもらいます、てくれます。So あげます、もらいます、くれます。Do you remember? What is it? So あげます、もらいます、くれます was about give and receive. And it was object, give and receive. So for example, ペンをあげます。ノートをもらいます。ネクタイをくれます。Like that. It was all about nouns plus あげます、もらいます、くれます。However, this time we're going to use verb. We have to change the て form, but verb plus あげます。Verb plus もらいます。Verb plus くれます。So it describes that someone did something to you out of their kindness. Alright, so let's look at example sentences and I'll explain more about it. Alright, so let's talk about てあげます first. てあげます. So because あげます was the giver, right? So we will start the sentence with giver. The main subject, the focus is the giver. For example, A さんは B さんに日本語を教えてあげました。A さんは B さんに日本語を教えてあげました。That means A さん taught B さん Japanese. And this is out of kindness. A さん didn't need to teach B さん, but maybe A さん was looking at B さんand maybe this person needs help. Okay, I can help her. I can help him. ね、B さん。So that's why A さん used his or her kindness and then teach Japanese. Alright, so A さんは B さんに日本語を教えてあげました。How about the next one? So this one, B さん is the giver. B さんは C さんにお金を貸してあげました。B さんは C さんにお金を貸してあげました。お金、money. 貸します is to lend. So B さん lend money to C さん。B さん didn't need to do it, but B さん was kind enough to lend money to C さん。And these two sentences, as you can see, 日本語を教えてあげました。お金を貸してあげました。So those 教えます teach change to て form 教えてあげました貸します貸してあげました So you have to change ます this verb to て form to say this sentence But please be careful What about this one? 私は C さんにお金を貸してあげました So this time It depending on your tone or how close you are to this person, but in general, if you use てあげます using yourself as a main subject, I'm the giver. I say, 私は C さんにお金を貸してあげました。That sounds a little bit condescending. So, it's better not to use this てあげます when you're the giver and describe what happened to you.Quick summary. てあげます。てあげます is to express that someone gives kindness by their actions. How to use? Someone, giver は someone, receiver に something あげました。This time because it's action, we use verb. But be careful, it's not mas form verb. It's a て form verb. So you have to change to て form. As a mini quiz, I want you to challenge yourselves to translate this sentence into English. No.1 A さんは B さんに漢字の意味を教えてあげました。A さんは B さんに漢字の意味を教えてあげました。3, 2, 1 The answer is A さん taught B さん the meaning of the kanji. A さん taught B さん the meaning of the kanji. Alright, now let's talk about てもらいます。Since もらいます is to receive, the sentence will start from the receiver. Main focus is on the receiver. So, this time, you receive or someone receive from someone kindness by their actions. Alright, so let's look at example sentences. 私は A さんに日本語を教えてもらいました。私は A さんに日本語を教えてもらいました。That means I received a kindness. And this kindness is A さん 's action. What A さん did is that A さん taught me Japanese. So 私は A さんに日本語を教えて て form again てもらいました。The second example. C さんは B さんにお金を貸してもらいました。C さんは B さんにお金を貸してもらいました。So C さん got kindness from B さん。What kind of kindness? B さん did something. And B さん lent money to C さん。So C さん received money from B さん out of her or this B さん 's kindness. So C さんは B さんにお金を貸してもらいました。Quick summary でもらいます。でもらいます is to express that someone received kindness by someone else's actions. How to use? 私 receiver は someone giver にて form verb もらいました。or someone receiver は someone giver にて form verb もらいました。Mini quiz. Let's translate this sentence into English. 私は C さんに漢字の意味を教えてもらいました。私は C さんに漢字の意味を教えてもらいました。3, 2, 1 So that means C さん taught me the meaning of the kanji. But this time our focus is me as a receiver. 私は We start the sentence with 私は receiver. Alright, the last one is about くれます。てくれます。So, as I explained in the previous video, くれます is about only me, only myself as a receiver. And we start the sentence from the giver. So the giver is our main focus. Giver は私に always me に something してくれました。Someone did something to you, to yourself. Alright, so let's look at example sentences. A さんは私に日本語を教えてくれました。A さんは私に日本語を教えてくれました。So this time, A さん is the focus, the giver. Giver は私に to me 教えてくれました。So A さん taught me Japanese out of A さん 's kindness. 教えてくれました。Again, て form plus くれます。教えてくれました。How about the next one? B さんは私にお茶を買ってくれました。B さんは私にお茶を買ってくれました。So this time, B さん bought tea. お茶、green tea, could be green tea. お茶を買ってくれました。B さん bought me drink. お茶を買ってくれました。But how about this one? C さんは D さんに道を案内してくれました。C さんは D さんに道を案内してくれました。So that means C さん gave D さん a tour of this city out of C さん 's kindness. But this time, this sentence cannot be used because C さん or D さん is not you, yourself, not me. くれます is only used when you are the receiver. So this time you cannot use between third parties, C さん D さん So please be careful. Quick summary. てくれます。てくれます is to express that I receive someone's kindness by their actions. How to use? Someone, giver は私、receiver に定番 verb くれました。It's about me as a receiver. Only me. Meaning quiz. Please translate this sentence into English. A さんは私に漢字の意味を教えてくれました。A さんは私に漢字の意味を教えてくれました。3, 2, 1. So A さん taught me the meaning of the kanji. A さん taught me the meaning of the kanji. And we start this sentence with a giver, A さん. Alright, now it's your turn to practice. So I'll give you some questions and you have to make sentences. Be careful, please change mas verb to te form verbs. And then connect with あげます、もらいます、くれます depending on the situation. Alright, please start. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, どうでしたか? Was it difficult? 難しかったですか? But 大丈夫です。The more you practice, it'll be much easier. So 頑張りましょう。If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!